I'm Sean here at Fluke, and this is a 1664 FC, meaning Fluke Connect multimeter. And Sean's going to tell us all about it.
Thanks, Bill. So this is a great tool that Fluke introduced a few years back. This is called the 1664 Multifunction Tester. This really has 4 meters built into it in one shot. As you can see here with the dial, it's got several functions that we can run through. As we're in the volts mode, we're actually checking the receptacle and seeing if they wired it correctly. This tool is designed after the installation of a residence or a commercial building where they've come in, they put in their receptacles, their outlets, they've got their kitchens set up, the bathrooms, GFCIs are put into place. This is going to give you a report and finalize on everything that they've come in. So in this volts mode itself, you're able to go in and determine if they wired the receptacle correctly and they didn't cross, like say, your common and your ground. You can run through and make those measurements and see that. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here so you can see, and I can turn the back line on as well. So in this case here, you can see we would go between line and neutral, but we could also go between line and ground, or we could go between neutral and ground. This is a great way to validate that the wiring was done at the receptacle correctly. Also too, when we make these measurements, we can go ahead and get it into an insulation mode or a megometer mode. This unit here has 5 different levels of measurement between 50, 100, 250, 500, and 1000 volts. So we can actually get a meg test at 1000 volt level on the wires that we've already got into the system. Now also too, when we're talking about doing electrical connections, we want good bonding. By putting it in continuity mode, we can get up to a 200 milliamp continuity check. That's a perfect example of getting a good bond check, making resistance modes as well. Now also too, at times, we need to get into a loop mode. What that is a loop or a line impedance test. So when we connect this to the receptacle outlet, we've already got voltage present. We're going to send a small amount of current through that and determine, based on Ohm's law, what we can get as a potential fault condition measurement. What that means is that if there was a potential fault that happened at that receptacle in that office or in that kitchen, this type of measurement would allow us to see what the potential fault current could handle. So what could that line actually handle? This is a valuable asset when you're doing these installations. Now this unit came from Europe and we're incorporating it here into the US. And you can see here on these next two we have RCD time and RCD trip. Well, RCD is the same as a GFCI here in the US. So this allows us though to trip the GFCI and get an actual reading of what that's doing. Typically when we check a GFCI right now, we'll plug in something, trip it, and that's all we get. Yes, the GFCI trip, but there's no value to it. With this type of measurement, we can actually see how many milliseconds it took to trip the GFCI and how many milliamps it took to trip the GFCI. This is an incredible tool. As manufacturers are out there, sometimes we feel like the GFCIs are good out of the box. This can validate if that's true. And finally, we've got just 2 other functions. We have a phase rotation indicator, which is another meter. So this will allow you to determine your phase rotation indication. And then it's got an earth ground meter in it as well. So now, after all of this installation is done, we've validated that the receptacles were wired correctly, the GFCIs are tripping, we've got good insulation testing, the loop and line impedance test for your respective fault tests are done. We can check the grounding of the building or the resident itself to validate that the grounding is good outside. This is an incredible tool with so many multi-function tests that are built into it. What's awesome with this as well because as Bill pointed out, this is Fluke Connect enabled. So we can download the free Fluke Connect app onto your phone or your smart device, make all of those measurements, link them into your phone, and download them instantly using the Fluke Connect app. It's an incredible resource. This is a great tool to start with these new installations. I'm hoping that city inspectors will start pulling these on, using this, validating what the electricians are doing out there in the world. It's a great frontline tool. If you want more information on this, though, go out to www.fluke.com and it'll be under the multifunction testers or installation testers.
When you're talking about installation, what installation is it actually testing?
So it would be testing the insulation on the Romex wire that they pulled through the building.
I see.
So if you think about it, if they pulled a whole bunch of wire through and maybe accidentally, shaved it down, running it through some metal, this unit would validate that. I mean, it's basically a megger built into the unit. It's an insulation tester.
It would find that somewhere along the line, there's a problem with your insulation on your Romex being compromised somehow.
That's right. That's right. It's not going to give you a definite location because most insulation testers or meggers will not give you a specific, this is where it's broke. But you know that the line is broke. You may have to re-pull the line and go from that route. The meter will typically come with this handy nice carry case. And inside the case is going to come a mains cord. So this mains cord is for the US, but we also have other mains cords associated for being in Germany or being in the United Kingdom or being even in Brazil. But what we can do is we color code it, set it up, and then we can just plug that directly into the receptacle.
Oh, I see.
And then start making the measurements.
How long has this been around?
So we introduced this to the US about 2 years ago.
I see.
And it's just getting a footprint. It's really taken off. As more of our contractors and electricians in the world are seeing the value of what this unit can produce.
Yeah, I'm an electrical contractor. I've never even heard of this.
That's right. The meter, the different test procedures that this meter offers, this is standard regulation within the United Kingdom and the European nations. I mean, it is a standard that after an installation is done, you need to have this type of meter to come out and test all those receptacles, all those outlets, all those RCDs. Here in the US, we don't have that. Yep, the GFCIs. But here in the US, we don't have those standards quite so tightly implemented.
What is the approximate price point for this?
So typical list price on this is about $2,200. This is the full kit with the 1664 FC, and it's going to come in this nice carry case as well.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks, Bill. This is great talking to you about the unit.
Yeah, that's a great piece of equipment. I'll put a link in my video description for the Fluke 1664 FC installation tester with Fluke Connect. Also, I'll put links for other meters such as the Fluke 902 FC HVAC clamp meter, the Fluke 376 FC clamp meter with iFlex, and I'll put a link for the AmpProbe AT6020 advanced wire tracer with 8 sensitivity modes. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.
Driving down.
Thanks for watching.
So those contractors can help meet their 1025.